Crumble the ladyfingers with the bottom of the pan and pour into a bowl. Add a few tablespoons of Nutella. Mix well. Remove the Twix bars from the packaging. Place vertically around the perimeter of the springform pan. Put the mixture into the pan and press the crust. Chill for 30 minutes. Put mascarpone into a bowl. Add powdered sugar and mix the cream. Pour whipping cream into the bowl. Mix into a firm cream. Mix both creams. Divide the cream into 2 bowls. Put the white cream into the pan. Chill for 30 minutes. Mix the cream with Nutella. Put the Nutella cream into the pan. Chill for 30 minutes. Melt the white chocolate in the microwave. Pour the chocolate into the pan. Chill for 30 minutes. Chop the dark chocolate finely. Melt in the microwave. Pour into the pastry bag. Place a ladle and decorate the cake with melted dark chocolate. Take the ladle and make a flower. Cut petals from strawberries and place on the cake. Chill for 1 hour. A perfect no-bake cake!